Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a rainbow swipe, so stick around and check it out. I'm working on a 12-inch oval shaped canvas, and I'm just going to jump in and get started. The black that I am using today is Amsterdam Lamp Black, and I mix that one teaspoon of the black with 3 tablespoons of Floetrol and just a little bit of water. I'm using DecoArt Extreme Sheen colors as well, metallic colors. The first one is ruby, the second one there is coral, and I wasn't really sure because it wasn't as orange as I wanted it, but I went ahead and used it anyway. It looks super pretty regardless. So, and then I used 24 karat gold because I didn't have an exact yellow. And this one here is emerald, and I love this emerald color. It is super pretty. I actually don't think I use it enough. I need to probably use it a little bit more. This one here is sapphire, such a pretty blue. And then purple, one of my favorite colors, and that one is actually called amethyst. So all of the metallic, the DecoArt paints that I'm using are mixed with Floetrol and water only, and just like a couple drops of water. I didn't necessarily measure the Floetrol. I kind of just winged that part. Hopefully this turns out. The DecoArt colors are gorgeous, and I am just swiping today with just some strips of brown craft paper, but you can see that those cells and lacing are developing quite nicely. So I'm gonna let you guys just sit back, listen to the music, and enjoy how this develops. But real quick, for those of you that are new to my channel, I hope that you enjoy this video enough to subscribe. And for those of you that already subscribe, I do thank you. And I'll be back in a jiff. Alright guys, here we go with the dried photos, and I am so happy with the dried result. These Extreme Sheen colors paints dried amazing. They're super vibrant. I love the detail that I got. The lacing cell look super awesome. I'd love to hear what you guys think, so leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos. And don't forget to share this video as well. It really does help my channel. And don't forget, I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one.